Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the battery level on your MacBook Pro M5. So first of all, we just have to navigate to the battery icon on the menu bar and check the battery level in here. Or we can access the battery settings either from here and check our battery level at the top bar of this menu. Or if you can't see the battery icon in the top right corner of your screen, you can go to the Apple menu in the top left corner, then select System Settings, and here find Battery on the sidebar. And this will lead you to the same menu where you'll be able to check your battery level along with battery health if you click this icon, and charging settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.